Hello everyone, mabuhay! I'm Ashley Trillo and I see the globalization as the power fast force that has made the world. Globalization is the rapid, deep interdependence, the powerful flow of culture, technology, and economic fate across borders. Globalization is a deeply personal, centering on the OFW reality. The ability of the parents to work abroad and send remittances is the economic foundation of your family's stability and your education. This is your most personal link to the global labor market. Why benefit from global learning and media like K-pop, foreign apps? There is the significant risk of colonial, mental, unintentional devaluing excellent Filipino product and tradition in a favor of foreign ones. The goal is to be a responsible global citizen who is firstly Filipino. Actively practice conscious consumption by prioritizing Philippine-made product like local coffee, craft, clothing to build local economic resilience. Use global platforms like the internet to share unique Filipino values like bayanihan and hospitality, contributing the riches of your culture to the worldwide conversation. Your role is to use the global stage to learn, grow, and enrich the world by staying proudly Pinoy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Once again, I'm Ashley Trillo. Mabuhay everyone!